fish, bright and so divine. B is for the Betta fish, swimming in a line. C is for the clownfish, hiding in a reef. D is for the dolphin, oh what a joyful leap. Swim along in the ocean blue, learning our ABCs with fishy friends so true. Splashing all around, come sing with me. Let's have a fishy party in the deep blue sea. E is for the eel, wiggly and long. F is for the flounder, flat as a song. G is for the goldfish, in a bowl so bright. H is for the halibut, gliding with delight. Swim along in the ocean blue, learning our ABCs with fishy friends so true. Splashing all around, come sing with me. Let's have a fishy party in the deep blue sea. I is for the icefish, living in the cold. J is for the jellyfish, drifting bold and gold. K is for the koi, swimming in a pond. L is for the lionfish, with colors that respond. Swim along in the ocean blue, learning our ABCs with fishy friends so true. Splashing all around, come sing with me. Let's have a fishy party in the deep blue sea. M is for the mackerel, fast as it can be. N is for the Nemos, we love them endlessly. O is for the octopus, clever and so sly. Together we say goodbye, fishy friends oh my. Now the ABCs are clear, let's give a cheer. With our fishy friends around, learning is so dear. Swim along, learning every day. With our fishy ABCs, let's play, play, play.